and I'm 9.
I'm Rosie and I'm 11.
I'm Nina and I'm 11.
And today we've come to KidRated All Star Lanes Bayswater.
Woohoo! All Star Lanes Bayswater has an American retro diner feel. We had our own bowling lane and our names put up on the screen. Because we're kids, we chose to have rails up on the gutters to make it easier for us to play. You can select a ball that's the right weight for you. Refreshing drinks and snacks are available to keep up your strength during the game. Nina was the winner of this match. There's a big dining room with plenty of tables and booths. And a great kids menu with plenty of fun stuff to do till the food arrives.
And we got 3 marshmallows and ice, but it was good.
We really enjoyed bowling at All Star Lanes Bayswater, but it was a bit hot in there, but the food was really great. So I'm going to give it a kid rating of 8.
I really enjoyed it too, so I'm going to give it a kid rating of 9.
I really liked it, so I'm going to give it a kid rating of 8.5.